This thumbnail I have created using ChatGPT and it's completely free. I'll show you how to create exactly these types of thumbnail or any types of viral style YouTube thumbnail using completely ChatGPT free account. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to make thumbnails with ChatGPT for free. It's very simple. I'm Sai from DigiWhisper. And let's get started. We will make our thumbnail in a few steps. First, we need to create an idea to get our thumbnail. And then, based on that idea, we will create a prompt using ChatGPT. After creating the prompt, we will use that prompt to generate our thumbnail using ChatGPT. And I will show you everything from my free account. As you see, this is my ChatGPT free account and I will complete the whole thumbnail making process using ChatGPT free account. So let's create the thumbnail idea first. So I am here writing, let's see how to get idea of our thumbnail using ChatGPT. Suggest me 5 viral YouTube thumbnail idea to get high CTR and make the video viral. On the topic here, we will write our topic, let's say make money AI. So this is our topic and let's see how it generates the idea. Here you see it is generating 5 ideas for me to make our viral style thumbnail. So our idea is done. First, you can read out all of the ideas and choose any of them. And let's say now I want to create a prompt based on this idea. So again, I will write here, write me a detailed viral style, eye-catching, click provoking and stop scrolling. YouTube thumbnail generation prompt with creative visual for the idea number, let's say 1. I want to generate the prompt for the idea number 1. How it writes our prompt. So our second step done and this is our prompt to make our thumbnail. So now we just copy the prompt here and go to in the left side and here you will see the image. ChatGPT has an awesome image generation AI integrated with the ChatGPT free account as well. So we will now create the thumbnail in the final step and let's say I want to keep my face on that thumbnail. So I need to upload the face I want to get on my thumbnail. This is my face and now paste all of the thumbnail prompt at once and now click here and see what happens. It is generating the viral style thumbnail for me. You can try again and again to get a very good result because you may not get a very good thumbnail in your first attempt. So you can try multiple times to get your perfect thumbnail. So it is generating the thumbnail and all of them using in my ChatGPT free account. And see, your thumbnail is ready. Now you can just download the thumbnail from clicking here and you can see your thumbnail. This is the thumbnail and this thumbnail is awesome to get high CTR. And now we need to add some adjustment to this thumbnail because right now if we see the thumbnail size, it is not exactly perfect for the YouTube actual long form thumbnail size. It is now 1536 by 1024. But for YouTube long form thumbnail, you need to make the size 1280 by 720 pixels. So we need to make this adjustment. For this purpose, we need to use another tool and it is also a completely free tool. Let's see how we can do this. To extend our image or resize our image, we need to use this software and it is also a free software to use. Just sign up first here and then just click here in the expand section and upload the thumbnail. And now place your perfect size. So we see YouTube thumbnail size is 1280 by 720. So we will give the width 1280 by 720. So this is the perfect size of YouTube thumbnail. And now click here in the generate button and see what happens. So it is adjusting the whole thumbnail and see how perfect this thumbnail is. Now click here to download your thumbnail. So I'm clicking here and my thumbnail is ready. So click here. So this is my final output, which I have created using only free ChatGPT account. Alright, that's it. So now it's your turn to make your video viral. What's the one tech issue that's been driving you crazy lately? Drop it in the comment and I might pick your question in the next video. Oh, and don't skip the pinned comment and description. I've pinned some must visit tools and resources there. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and join my growing community. Let's fix the internet together, one video at a time.